Harshongta, who joins us to answer all your personal finance queries. So let's go straight to our first caller. Urvi Shah calls us from Mumbai. She has a personal finance query. Hi, Urvi.
Yeah, hi sir.
Hi, how can we help you?
Sir, my question is related to my savings have reduced after investing in equity,
Okay.
but I can invest up to 15,000 per month. So what can be an alternative for that?
Okay, so you've already been investing in equity, is that right?
Yeah, I have already invested, but my savings have reduced now.
All right, so you want to know an alternative and you want to invest around 15,000 rupees per month. All right, Urvi, we have Harsh with us. Harsh, can you help Urvi out?
Urvi, I think when you dabble in equity, that is the danger, because equity is a long-term investment, and now the question you have asked is absolutely apt. You are saying 15,000 rupees per month, and I think doing this systematically month after month is the way to make money on equity. If you can do this for a long period, if you look at the past record, if you have done 10-year SIPs at any time after 1995, if you did 120 SIPs in say the Nifty, there is no way you would have made a return less than 9%. You can pick a date after Jan 95 and that would be the minimum return you would have made.
So probably the advice for Urvi is maybe she went directly into stocks. Urvi, you want to tell us something about what kind of equity investments you went in? Maybe the safer route is to go through mutual funds and through maybe Nifty Bs.
Hello?
Yeah, Urvi, you directly invested in shares or you went through mutual funds?
I had done through mutual funds.
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
So I think again, it is even the SIPs that we spoke about, say a 10-year SIP, every single SIP will show some losses in between. The key is to stick to the SIPs for at least those 10-year period. If you stick to it, then at least the past record says that if you invested that in Nifties, you got a good return. In fact, if you invested in a well-managed active fund, you made even better returns. So I think the lesson is be regular, be disciplined, keep making that investment month after month, and I think you will make money. Don't get bothered even if your capital loses value, because invariably in the past we have seen capital losing value, but over 10 years you end up making a very good return.
Alright, Urvi, so patience is the answer. You have to make systematic investments and make it preferably in Nifty related mutual funds so that you don't have too much of a risk of the choice of